All right, guys, it is freaking cold out here, and we've got our Mamiya M645, badass, looking pretty badass, yes it is, and getting some shots out here, so we'll see what we come up with. All right. Just to make sure what we can get here. Can I take your guys' picture? So yeah, come over here real quick. Perfect. It's an old-fashioned film camera, so yeah, just all stand right there. Okay, perfect. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can get this in focus. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Excellent. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Go. So I'm going to get a reflection. I'm going to open this bad boy up all the way, 4.5, and here we go. Can't hold it steady. Who knows? Okay, so I'm gonna get this shot, undo my lock, and before somebody drives by, looks like we should still be good to go. I like that. And that's a wasted shot. Every shot I take feels like it's a wasted shot. Okay, here's another one. I'm gonna have to really get out the window here. It's raining like a, it's raining. So let's see what happens if I do this. Okay, that could be kind of cool. Here we go. Let this guy go by. Actually, I might just even get the shot with the cars in it coming by. Who knows? Blur them up, that'll be okay. See a problem with that. Oh yeah, that might be all right. Might be kind of a cool shot, but we're going to try one here without the cars going by. Just clean off the lens. Alright, so here we go. Let's see, I want to get these poles on the side here. So and we'll see what we get there. Probably a lot of shake and camera movement. Oh, that's the end of our roll. Okay, so that's the end of our roll, and we'll see what we come up with.